Excuse me. Excuse me. Who is selling? I beg, come. Sure. Are you the manager of Greenland Hotel? I'm looking for the manager because I'm waiting for my boyfriends coming. I just want to take some burger and little drink. Do you have light? I need light.
Yeah.
Is he bringing the drink?
Mele. Okay. Green light for now. Manager. Yeah.
I have been waiting for this drink since.
Kúrò lọ́nà alágàfẹ́wébù, Scalimenta ní sẹ́, ó tẹ́tẹ́ bò, ó yá kò dín diet. Fún wọn lẹ́bù dẹ̀ never tire yet, ó yá sún bébè, kúrò yẹn dà. Ṣèṣe ní gànjà, ó kúrò yẹn dà. On a kò dín diet, slow down, on a kò dín diet. Jàjẹ́, on a kò dín diet. Tell God pé on a kò dín diet.
Who made this pretty lady? Sule!
Oga! Hey! Oga!
Why you need this lady to bring her inside her bar? Why we have a beautiful food here? Food. Fried rice, fried indomie, fried chicken. You don't eat this kind of food in this hotel.
Why don't eat this kind of food for here, Jay?
Lady?
You don't say that. Onígbọ̀n àgbọ̀ bẹ̀jẹ̀. You know how we say. What? Oga! This man, this one I will man. Obi na mo going. Oga, who's that? Oga, who's that?
Why are you?
I'm going to take out with them. Oga, I beg. See this guy now. You don't want that. I don't mind.
No, we don't have this kind of food here.
No. Oga, no, I don't want this.
Why we have a racial food here?
This one
fried indomie, fried rice. No.
Oga, you be my fried indomie. This is mine.
Oga, Sule, why do you allow this kind of girl to enter here?
Give me my soup. This one I will be man. I don't know. My soup. I don't allow this guy to make you come again. Oga, come.
No, don't allow such a thing here.
What is this guy? Oga, wait. Come.
Bring that on there.
Clear.
No, we don't eat this
Why
kind
can't
of
you
food
give me
here.
fried indomie now?
Fried mandaku. Don't allow such food here. Don't eat that kind of food here. Sule, carry your girl go.
Why did you jump this guy dinner? You just jump it with cassava. What you gonna do? See. What you see? Life is life, oh. In a Kotapa sign. The life where I drink from Greenland Hotel is very cheap. That's why I use Lolo to eat am. You come there and they do. Today, you no go see my Katakoa pint. Life goes on, oh. The boy dey drink life for Greenland Hotel. The drink is very cheap. Indomie well fried, chicken. I don't see. That's why I asked you to give me life. Make I use Lolo eat am because the life of Greenland Hotel is very cheap. You know what? Oga, wa, obi na obi. Can you be my man? Abi. Just what you got about me? Yo.
Hey, for your love, I go drink it. Give me shot, oh, I know fit off. Mariana, mega.